Well, what I wanted to do was kind of tell everybody, bring something to everybody's attention. What happened to me this last week? I was looking in this magazine here, and it's a gas engine magazine. I believe it's July. Let's see. Yeah, July 2004. But I was reading this article. It's a 2 horsepower boost junior, and I read the article, and a pretty good article. And then I got through with the article, and I seen this article here on this. It's a Maytag 92 made into a upright, and I got to reading down through there, and I realized, well, my dad built that engine. And sure enough. So I finished reading the magazine, and I thought it was interesting, because whenever I got this in the mail, Thursday, might have been Friday. You can see there the address. I don't know if you can see the address there, but it's Vashon, and I believe that's Washington. But this Foose engine that I was reading about, and this magazine came out in 2004. The guy that rebuilt this engine sent me this engine. About 2 weeks ago I talked to him, and he sent me this engine. So I had no idea I was going to pick this book up and read that article, and it'd be the same as that guy. You know, the back of the article there in these gas engine magazines, they put the address and name, exact same guy. So if you get a chance to read this book, 2004 July, there is a 92, as you see there, made into a upright. Pretty good looking little engine. Good looking little engine. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this engine that guy sent me. And I would say his name, but I actually didn't ask him. So I really don't want to say his name since I didn't ask him, you know. Yeah, I better get it. You know, I don't want nobody to get mad, because I'm going to set the phone, I'm going to set the camera down. Give me a second here. Alrighty. We're going to unbox this. I can tell you it's a Maytag. Should be a model 19 is what it should be. And there is a kick pedal. Side cover. We'll just set this over here. Let's see. And that is what we have. Model 19. Kick pedal. Should be an engine in here somewhere. Pretty good one too. That guy did me real good on this deal. Wasn't not what you expect when it comes to buying an engine, getting it shipped to you, and just was all around good deal. Sorry about the camera, guys. We're gonna get it open though. We're going to take a look at it for sure. One way or the other, we can get in this box. Alright, here. See what I'm doing here? Taking that thing here. Right yonder. And we're just sawing. Because it ain't that sharp like it should be. Well, let's see here. It ain't doing too bad. But we're going to get it in there anyway. Alright, look at there. Well, you put the packing in there, didn't you? Man. You talking about a mess to clean? I should have prepared for that, shouldn't I? Man, talking about a mess to clean up. Well, it's gotta be done. Alright. There it is. Let's see. Let's do a visual inspection on it real fast here. I don't see any breaks in the normal spots. It does have a air breather. What's a nice tag there, ain't it? It does have a timing mark there. Let's see what the number is. Let me turn this thing around. It is 749359. Can y'all see that? I don't know. That's what it was, though. I do see that. That's what it was. That is not original. Nor is this here. And I'd say that tag we looked at that was so good. Ain't original either. Engine appears to have been painted. Engine is free. Appears to be in really good condition. Probably would run, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna see that spring there. That spring's really short, and it's got that extension on there. That ain't right. So I'm gonna get that spring off there. Put a correct spring on it, and then I'm just gonna put it back on here. So, and it is. I believe it'll run. I believe it will. I ain't gonna try to start though. I put that pedal back on there and I'm gonna put it on the shelf. I figured I'd do a video on this because that's just fun to unbox one. It's kind of like Christmas. So there you have it. If you want to see a unboxing of a Christmas present early, there it is. Maytag, model 92. Check back.